My name is Stephanie, the owner of Steph's Crafty Space. My videos are full of pretty, practical, and inspiring planner spreads, office decor, how-to videos, honest product reviews, an occasional haul, and a surprise or two. I plan every aspect of my life using various planner types, sizes, and styles. So stay tuned to see what's happening today at Steph's Crafty Space. Hey y'all, welcome back. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are a subscriber, thank you very, very much for your support. I really do appreciate it. So today we are in the Skinny Classic, this beautiful little girl who goes with me into all the places. So we are going to plan for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. So what I generally do is alternate between my Skinny Classic and my business planner. So this week I just have so much to do in my business planner that I don't know that I am going to have time to do all the decor and all of that. So I decided, you know what, I want to have some fun and I want a very pretty spread because I got out the Socialite for my dashboard. So if you watched that video, you saw that I used it in my dashboard planner. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I have not used this in like forever. So I'm going to use it again, but this time I want to make it fun and pretty. Alright, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you really like the video, share it with your friends, right? Sharing is caring. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you don't miss anything. And then we can become friends. Really cool, amazing, fun friends. Alright, so I've just started laying all these really pretty colorful stickers down. And we're going to kind of go from there. So I know Mondays are super busy. Super busy. I'm trying to see what all we have. I love these sticky notes. Can y'all see or am I off camera? These little sticky notes, remember who, what, when, where. Who, what, when, where, when. I love those. Okay. And down here I have one of the little squad girls, but you know what? Why don't we put one of these cute Socialite girls? I don't know how well it's going to cover it up. Almost perfectly. I may have to just white something out. Oh, you know what? That is leftover sticker on the other side. Maybe I do a girl who's a little bigger. So let's grab this cutie patootie. Oh yeah, see? She covers her up very well. And then we still have a cute girl in our planner. Alright. What else do we have? This is a beautiful book. It really just is a gorgeous book. I like this. I'm going to put this down there. I just took out all these stickers. I have no clue what I'm doing. None, zero, zilch, nada. A lot of to-do things. Quotes today. Alright, let's go ahead and put down all the pretty, and then we'll figure out what we need to do. Alright, so I want to use this over here Oh, well, that just laid down perfect. And then this cute doll right here. Can go right. Awesome. Love it so much. You're like really pretty, and I adore this. So it is definitely going right there. Okay, and this one I'm gonna put right here. Do what you love and do a whole lot of it, which is awesome. Then it should go here because we are going fishing this day for my son's birthday, and we all just love fishing. Coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee can go here. Because it's coffee. And Balance Power with Grace that I just tore. What the heck is wrong with me? Don't answer that. A lot. A lot is wrong with me, and that's okay. There we go. That's crooked, but I'm not going to take it up because I already tore it once. Now that we have pretty, let's get practical. Let's get practical, practical. Ooh, Lord, my daughter sees this. She's going to text me immediately. I told you not to sing when you're planning. To-do, Monday, full of to-dos. Monday is a very, very busy day for us. Every Monday is super busy. Thursday, I have a thing. I'm trying to see what color I want. So Thursday, I have a thing. And Friday, I have a thing. Ooh, and it is fun. So I'm going to put so much fun on Friday. Alright, now I'm going to get some washi to kind of fill in some of this. I know they have some scalloped washi here, but I don't know. Let's see if we have something a little more festive. Where's some flowers? Do I have anything? Ooh, maybe this one. Okay. I actually have people request, please show me your washi. There's my washi that I am contemplating the flowers. So I'm contemplating these flowers. Not those. Actually, these look like they might be a closer match. Yeah, it has some of the same colors, so let's do that. Let's just do a little washi there, and a little washi here. Actually, let me put the washi down here. We're not going to do too much, but enough. So maybe this would look cute. And if it doesn't look cute, we can always remove it. Correct? Correct. One of my favorite people. And what does she sing? Stripes and florals, stripes and florals. Although I'm pretty sure she probably wouldn't do this combo, but it's okay. I am going to cut this down a bit though. There we go. That is cute. That is very cute. Okay, I just don't like the sticker down here at all. If I can get it to come up without tearing more, we'll save it. If it tears any more like that, then unfortunately it just has to go to the sticker graveyard. It was nice knowing you while you lasted. I know it's a travesty. And we'll be okay. We will survive. Okay, let us be honest and say that this box just does not belong here. I can agree with that. So let's lift up this cute little girl and take this box off. And then I will put her back in the book as long as she behaves. Right now she's going on my wax paper. Alright, now let's see if there's something else that we can put. I don't think I need a whole box. I don't know. What do you say? Coffee shop talk repeat. It's kind of cool. Oh, you know what? Where is... There's this one. Hey girl. I don't know why I like that. But let's do this one right here, and then put her back and leave it. I think that's good enough. I think I am done. Oh, love this so much. Oh my gosh. See, this is what makes it so fantastic. I could just look at some of these spreads forever because they're just beautiful and gorgeous. So if you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, ring the bell, and until next time, y'all have a blessed day. Bye!